Waiting now, waiting.
I better get up. I want to talk to you.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Stand up now. I want to talk to you.
Which kind of disturb this? Waiting now, waiting. Talk to me at the here.
This sound that you are sleeping by this now. Where is the money I have, so please?
I hear me, take me, buy me.
Waiting.
The money I have. Money for Christmas and New Year. Christmas is around the corner. There's no time again, please. Where is the money, please? I need to go for shopping. I want to change my wardrobe. I want to prepare hair. I want to look at my nails. I don't do anything. Please, I need the money for all that.
I make you call it stop me this afternoon.
There is God.
Yes, now.
I don't get money now. I don't first tell you.
Funke!
Let me sleep. I don't get. I don't first tell you.
Which one be I not get? I don't first tell you. I don't understand. You just speak English. I've been waiting. You know, say Christmas don't mostly now. Waiting be today's date. I never do anything. I never go for shopping. All my fellow women, they don't go for shopping.
Oh my God.
I beg, give me the money. I not even supposed to ask you this. You supposed to say Christmas only. Where husband tell they give wife money. I beg.
You know, say I don't get work. I don't get money. Which me and you don't first sit down talk. I just enjoy my sleep now. You just come call it this story. Which kind of money? I don't get. But you try to understand person.
I don't feel understand because Christmas only. Christmas not they understand. So now me want understand. I beg, I need that beg.
Child.
I beg. Because I don't know where they want to go out now.
I say I don't get. Now you know they understand simple English. I don't get.
You not get. Okay, no problem. As you say you not get. No problem. I have an idea. Yes.
Which idea?
I have an idea. Now you are talking. See, there is this business. Now legit business. No problem. Kidney business. Only, can you imagine? This business they move. As it be say you not get work now. You are jobless.
Child.
You get where you want to see the money. So what you want? Sell one of your kidney. Yeah. So wait, make I talk now. Which one be great? Sell one of your kidney because I need money. I need to buy bone straight and curly hair. I need to change my wardrobe. I need to fix nails. So and the most important.
Hold it.
There is God.
Make I sell one of my kidney.
Why you dey shout?
Why you not sell your use and buy your bow straight, use and fix your nail, use and take care of yourself?
Why I go sell my own? Where my husband dey?
Not be you get your own. Now you get yourself. You sell one, use and take care of yourself.
You be the man. You need to take care of me. You are the head.
Must
of the
I do
family.
everything?
Of course, that is why you are the head of the family. Sell your kidney. With one kidney, you can live above 100 years. So sell one. Please, quit selling because there's this doctor now. This doctor, he no work. Very good doctor. You can remove her sharp.
I can live above 100 years if I sell one.
And now you can still
Why
live
you not
one.
sell your may you live above 100 years?
No, I cannot
Why?
do your work. It's your responsibility to take care of me as a husband, as your wife. You need to take care of me. Since you there alive, you need to provide. Since you not get money to give me, I don't want to cut your neck. Sell your kidney. Finish. I don't know why you take this matter high.
Your mouth just dey do
Child.
Now today, now I know say you don't love me.
Child.
Only this
You don't
love.
love me.
Child.
Love, no, this one not be
Make I
matter
sell
of
my
love.
kidney, may I sell one, use and take care of you because I don't get job.
Funke!
Honestly, love without money, you get it.
Abeg.
Love is sweet.
Child.
but money
May
and
you
that
go,
love
may you
is
go, may you
sweeter.
go.
Please sell your kidney. I need this money. See, Christmas don't reach. Now let me come different from my fellow women. Go see Mama Jessica. See, if you see her where she buy. If you see her, see her nails.
Abeg, may you go, I want sleep.
I know they go anywhere. You must give me money. I beg. I
Give me
need
chance, I
money.
want sleep.
Give you chance for me. See Christmas don't reach. You see they sleep. You don't get work now. Sell kidney now. What do you want to do as a man now?
You want
Sell
fight me?
kidney. Work. Come on, you need.
See, be careful.
Who's not be careful? You not give me money for Christmas. No, this my husband. Me, I don't understand that more. Me, I don't understand this man. What if be this one now? I bring business idea now. You not get work. You not get money. I fine. Sell one of your kidney. Now bad thing I talk, my people. Person not feel live with one kidney. This one not be stingy man like this. As I ask my husband not to sell a kidney now to take give me money for Christmas and New Year. Now bad thing I do. This trip where this man work for, he no go work. You see this kidney, he go sell now. Because I know say person go live with one kidney. Why they waste away not even get job? You go sell one, may we tell you. Honey, you must sell this kidney. Where you? Take it here, give me money, oh. I don't.